This $5,246 a month came from one ICP, a 100 lead list, and 5 to 10 value first DMs per day, only working 4 hours per day. You're going to choose one ICP, find your 100 dream leads, the exact DM, and save hours by using AI for motion graphics. These are some of the animations you'll be making with one prompt. Alright, here's the system. Step 1 is picking an ICP. Pick one client type you can help every single week without overthinking it. For example, here's mine. I chose agency coaches posting long-form videos who struggles to consistently bring in leads from their content. It's super specific, and that's the good part. So why did I really choose them? First of all, they have budget signals, funding, hiring, and agency speed. They have the money, so they can actually afford high quality editing, and they can actually afford my service. And they also already post, which means you don't have to convince them video is valuable. You just make the video perform, and you already know how to do that. Then, as you see here, you need to actually offer your client something, because what I'm selling to this ideal client profile isn't just editing, it's qualified leads. Specifically, we edit your long-form YouTube videos using a retention-first structure that focuses on clarity so viewers stay engaged and book calls. Now, I know this may sound hard and it may be even a bit impossible, but you don't need to overcomplicate this. You just need to use 3 filters. First of all, what type of creators or business you're choosing. Then, what type of content format they are publishing or you're going to create for them. Then third, why they benefit from you. Write that on a one-pager so you know who to ignore and who not to ignore. I'm just going to show here quickly how my ICP uses these filters. First of all, the type of creator or business is agency coaches. Then the content format is posting long-form videos. And then third, why they benefit from you. They struggle to consistently bring in leads, so that's what I'm solving. Real quick, if you want the outreach resources and systems I use to land 2K plus clients, I give them away inside my free editing community. We also do weekly group calls to review your offers, portfolio, and outreach. Link is at the very top of the description, so go join it. Now back to the video. Now step 2 is to build a 100 lead list and send 5 to 10 value first DMs every single day. This is a pipeline and not hope. Tracking your leads is much more important than you think, and it prevents you getting lost when doing outreach. So your tracker just needs to be really simple and only needs 5 columns. Lead name, social link, contact or email, status, and which follow-up you're on. And here's an example of how it should look. Here I have lead name, social link, email, status, lead source, it's not super important, last contacted, days since contacted, and then follow-up stage. You can pause the screen and copy this inside Notion or create your own one. Really simple, but I really highly recommend having one of these. Now, after you built your tracker, you need to spend 1 to 2 days finding 100 leads inside your ICP. And you can find them really fast on any social media by searching for keywords they use often. For example, I search for scale your agency, how to get agency clients, build a 10K a month agency. Then once you've searched for that, press on filters and recently upload to only find active leads. So that's all for leads. Once you've found your 100 leads, you need to send outreach. And outreach is just really 3 simple lines. Keep it short, specific, and about their outcome. Here's the template I use. Line number 1 is the opener. You start with their name and point out something specific about them, a problem, or just that you watched one of the videos. And it could be something like this. Watch the retention video. Info is 10 out of 10, but you're losing them at the start. Then line number 2 is to be some sort of value. You need a stronger visual hook to filter for pain before you speak. Point something out and tell them what they need to do. Then is the fix. Made 3 new hooks for your latest video, and then a link to show that you actually know what you're talking about and to give them a reason to respond and actually maybe even book a call with you. Because if you don't give them anything first, they have no reason to respond or even trust you. So that's really important. Once you have your ICP, your lead tracker, and your outreach done, you need to aim for a specific target to reach. So the target I recommend is replies at 12 to 18% and bookings at 3 to 5% of those DMs. Now this may sound like super small targets, but if you look at it for a whole month, it becomes a lot. So if you send 5 to 10 DMs a day, that's 150 to 300 a month. That's 18 to 54 replies, 5 to 15 calls, and that's enough to land 2 to 4 retainers at maybe 2K each. So that becomes a lot over a month. Once you've sent your outreach, maybe even gotten your first clients, you need step 3, and that's AI motion graphics to save even more time when editing. Right now I actually use AI for more than half of my motion graphics, and I'm doing it 80% faster. The best and easiest website to do this is Hera, so let's go check it out. This is how Hera looks when you open it, so you can just log in with a free account. Let me just do that real quick. So now we're logged in with a free account here. As you can see here, it's super simple, almost just like ChatGPT. You write in your prompt and then it creates motion graphics for you. But before we start creating our motion graphics, let me just show you the templates here. Because for free, you have hundreds of templates made by other people. So let's just check out one of them, for example. If I press here, I can use this template and let it just get added. Now, when we're inside, I can edit everything. I can change the text here to 5K and just edit everything inside. I even think I can maybe change the color of this. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, I maybe want this to be black instead. Let's go with that. And now just look. And the bar is black. So it's super simple. You can literally choose between hundreds of templates here in infographics, logos, text, social media that you can use. Here, for example, some sort of WhatsApp animation. Really simple. You can change the text. Super great. But now, what you've been waiting for, the actual creating of motion graphics. So you can make your own. So now let's create the motion graphic. You can either write in your own prompt, but I recommend using something like ChatGPT to write the prompts for you because it's really good at doing prompts. So I actually have one prompt ready here. Let's just copy that. And then I paste it inside. So this is just a really simple animation, nothing special. Let's just make sure the design is good. It takes a bit longer, but it's worth it. And then press continue. Now it maybe takes 1 to 2 minutes, but that's nothing compared to doing motion graphics your own, and they actually come out really good. So let's just wait for it. Okay, so now it's done. It took, I think, 1.5 minutes, and here's how it looks. Just a really simple text fades up with a underscore here. Super simple, and then you can always add different things. So I can do change the background color to pink, and then it will do that. Really simple. You can do these changes till you feel like it's perfect. Now change the background to pink. Really simple to use and really fast. If you want to run this play tomorrow, here's your quick checklist. Take a screenshot of this. Now, if you're serious about scaling to 2K a month plus and you don't want to do it alone, come join our free community. You'll get full access to free resource videos and live group coaching calls with me and other editors. Click the link below to join us and I will see you there. But if you want an even deeper breakdown on the editing style that actually makes this possible, check out the video on screen right now. It's all in there. And as always, don't just watch, take action.